fuck yeah, right. Let me stick the pin back in. And that is in there. So the new float valve spring is quite nice. It's quite flicky, which is a good result. You should do a float level inspection. The float level is supposed to be 18.5 millimeters. I don't have a carburetor float level gauge. It's telling me the setting should be 07401 to 0010, then 000. The float cannot be adjusted. Replace the float assembly if the float level is out of specification. Okay, now we've got to stick our gasket in and close this up. So that goes there. When doing this, you got to make sure you swing your arms in the right place, or this could cause headaches later on. Stick that on there. Right, that is a good fit. I'm just going to try the old gasket really quick. See how that's done. So I've soaked this in water quite extensively, just while I've been waiting for parts to come. It does fit in there quite nice, which is surprising. So the old gasket does fit quite nice. It's quite flat, very flat. It doesn't really fit around this little. There's got a little O-ring on it. It doesn't really fit around that area quite well. I'll try the new one. The new one went in quite effortlessly. Very effortlessly. I'm very tempted just to do a quick kind of a quick outline of this so I could create one in the future if needed. Again, it's not really fitting around that O-ring area very well. Maybe that's just an ongoing issue. But no, this one's quite raised in comparison to my old one. My previous one was quite flat. I thought it would do. It'd be nice to have a spare gasket just in case, but this one's fairly raised. It feels nice and smooth in there. Very soft. I'm going to go ahead with this one. Just be careful it doesn't come out when you place it back on. Oh, just like that. Right. World's most expensive gasket. Oh. So the arm goes there. I'm wondering where this little pin on the float body goes. It doesn't actually touch anything. It just goes in there. Gasket's on all the way around. That is pressed on. So the gasket's nice and spongy.